that the Constitution should have a fixed meaning.
Neil Gorsuch, President Trump's pick for the Supreme Court, is considered a constitutional originalist. This approach would inform the way Judge Gorsuch, a conservative, makes decisions on the Supreme Court. But what is an originalist? An originalist tries to interpret the Constitution in light of its original meaning and from the perspective of the people who drafted and adopted it.
It's not what we wish. It's what the law was understood to mean. It has a fixed meaning, as Madison said.
Others view the Constitution as a living document, open to interpretation through a modern lens. Originalism was championed by Justice Antonin Scalia, whose seat Judge Gorsuch hopes to fill.
The originalist has easy answers for many things.
To understand a mindset from an earlier era, an originalist can turn to historical legal briefs and books. This philosophy can be controversial.
If we were to dogmatically adhere to originalist interpretations, then we would still have segregated schools and bans on interracial marriage.
Originalism isn't necessarily partisan, but Judge Gorsuch has interpreted it to make rulings that tend to sit well with politicians on the right. He sided with employers who have religious objections to the funding of birth control and their workers' insurance. He wrote a book against legalizing assisted suicide. He's also called for limiting the power of federal regulators. But he gets points on the left for ruling against certain types of searches by police. If Judge Gorsuch is confirmed, he and Justice Clarence Thomas will be the two originalists on the court.
The whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. I do.